Igni nya Ramogi jwang nyinga en James Oponinyal tudri kodwa namba mar 3 kata X-Man wat Ramogi TV KE bende wantiere achiel kachiel kokalo mbui marwa mar Facebook. Adwa teri achiel kachiel nyaka e doho ma Milimani kama nonro mar tho Albert Ojwang adhi nyime ka OCS ma Central Police Station Samson Taalam ochwal e nyim doho gi sani ka itude koda nek mar Albert Ojwang manotho ite sendo bila ma Central Police Station. Adhi achiel kachiel nyaka e doho ma Milimani.
Order. Chair. Let me say this. Let me say this for the record. No, let me say it for the record. And Your Honor, protect me. The counsel who is on the floor asking questions should only answer. Learned senior should stop pointing at me. You will have your time to ask me questions if you require. Your Honor, the second point I'm making here is that anything outside this affidavit, whether our chair it's not within my knowledge, and please stop asking me. Anything outside this, I'm not ready to answer. It's not within my knowledge, and believe. And after all, Your Honor, the application we are making is about an extension of continued detention of the suspect. It's not about what happened on the backyard. What you are pointing is bad faith.
This way you say clear, basically.
You're just give us a minute.
Take a break.
No. We don't need a break. I think just...
No, we don't need a break. We don't need a break.
Just 1 minute.
That is what we are doing.
Scare. It's my intention of making one pass. If you ask who the chairperson is, just answer. If the system goes like so don't let us use that. Okay. Yes, that's what they're doing.
We are not like that. Calm down.
So calm down. Just answer. Yona, thank you.
Let's just have civility and decorum.
Yes.
We're not fighting. What parties to system?
Thank you. Mr. Jibril.
Yes.
Counsel, please confirm to Your Honor that there was a joint press conference on the 9th day of June 2025 where the chairperson of IPOA was in the company of Mr. DIG Eliud Lagat and the Inspector General of Police and others.
I'm not aware.
You are not aware. Thank you. So you have not, Your Honor, you have no information that indeed your chairperson held a joint press conference with one of the persons who's been constantly mentioned in the death of the late Albert Ojwang. You have no information, isn't it?
Your Honor, the chair attends several press conferences.
Leave those several.
So I don't follow the chair.
Thank you.
I don't follow the chair for his press conferences.
Thank you. Now, Your Honor, that is very important. You have been very honest with the court. Now, I want to return to paragraph 27 of your affidavit. Yes, paragraph 27. You have made mention that the reason why you are inviting the court to order the pre-charge detention of the suspect before court is because you have fear that he might run away from the jurisdiction of this court, isn't it?
Yes.
Have you, in your well-elaborate affidavit, demonstrated an instance where probably he was invited, he never turned up, or you have proof that he has already booked a ticket to a certain foreign land that he presented before court?
That is not in my affidavit.
No, you have in your
No, I'm saying
yes.
the answers that you're looking for is not in my affidavit.
No, I am asking a very straightforward question,
Yes.
likely to attract a yes or no.
Yes.
I am asking you again. In lieu of your paragraph 27, on the question about the temptation by the suspect to run away from the jurisdiction of this court, if allowed his liberty, have you provided before this court
No.
any material?
No.
You don't have any material?
No.
Thank you. Your Honor, that should be all for me. Thank you.
I believe we have exhausted the proceedings.
The two. I'm actually going to take very limited time in the form of 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Stop it.
I leave it to 3. So
Then I can do 125 minutes, depending on how it's going. Now, Mr. Jibril, I want you to remember the testimony that you've given us just a few minutes ago, where you told us that the scene of crime was processed and released to the relevant authorities. Is that still your stand?
No, it's not in my affidavit. That's my
I'm
answer.
asking you,
Yes.
You made a representation to this court and told us that the scene of crime was processed and released to the relevant authorities. Is that correct or not correct?
Now, Your Honor, the scene of crime here I'm talking
Is it
about.
correct or not correct?
The cells where the deceased died has been processed and released to the relevant authorities.
Thank you. Now, can you tell us the investigative steps that you have used to preserve the CCTV and the occurrence book?
The occurrence book is a digital. It's not.
It's a digital one.
It's a digital. Yes, yeah.
Is it with your possession right now?
No, it cannot be.
It cannot be.
Cannot be in my possession.
Have you
Yes.
extracted the relevant entries on that particular day?
Yes, and attached to the affidavit.
Thank you. Now, number 2, about the CCTV, can you tell us the preservation measures that you've taken to preserve the sanctity of that CCTV footage?
Your Honor, we are a team of investigators. That aspect is being done by the forensic team.
So you can also confirm that the CCTV in itself is not with the police station. It is with the forensic team.
And what was extracted is the only DVR. But the entire, you can't carry a whole screen.
It's
and
okay. That's what I want you to tell me.
Yes. What was extracted is only the DVR.
Yes.
Yes.
So the DVR that records the events of that fateful day is the forensics team.
Yes.
Thank you. That's all you want.
Thank you, Your Honor. How is it?
Good morning. Good afternoon.
I kindly allow me to ask you just 3 questions. I want to take you to paragraph 6A. Where you have said the DPI received a complaint from the Deputy Inspector General of Police. Confirmed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it an oral complaint or a written complaint?
It was a letter. A formal,
letter.
yes, a letter to the
Have you
DC.
provided that letter to this court?
No, it's not attached here.
It's not attached here.
Yes.
Thank you. Kindly go back again to paragraph 7, where you say the respondent was arrested and under the Lamata police station, OB number 50.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Who booked the respondent at Lamata police station?
The booking was done by myself.
It was done by yourself.
Yes.
Thank you. Are you aware of the law governing the booking of a person at a police station?
As per the IPO Act, yes.
As per the above Act?
Yes. And the regulations.
Are you a police officer or a former police officer?
I'm not a police officer. I'm an
Have
IPO
you not been
employee.
a police officer?
Yes, I've been a police officer.
You have been a police officer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Paragraph 21. Now, paragraph 21, during your saying there are co-conspirators. Confirm?
21, yes.
Do you know the co-conspirators by name?
That is part of investigations. I cannot reveal here.
No, I'm just saying, do you know by name, not their names? Do you know them by name? Because you have said there are co-conspirators. Do you know them? Not by name.
Okay, she's not asking you to name them.
Council, this is what I've been saying.
Relax, Jibril.
Let me answer her. The thing is,
Can you help me with
yes.
Just say yes or no. Do you know the co-conspirators?
The matter is under investigations.
Yes or no?
As of now, no.
You don't know them. Thank you so much. Number 25. You have said that there was the murder of the deceased was planned, executed, and their attempts to cover up. Do you know the people who are trying to cover up the death of the deceased?
One of them is your client.
Do you know that with certainty?
Yes.
Have you provided evidence to that effect? Or
No.
the attempt to cover up?
It's under investigation, but not attached to this affidavit.
You have said that yes, you know the client is one of the people trying to cover up. My question is, have you provided evidence that he is one of the people who is trying to cover
As of now, no.
No.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Anna. That is the
I think, Your Honor, that will be the end of the examination of the witness. We will lay now, once he is discharged, Mr. Keaton will lay the basis for our next line of approach.
Your Honor, we would learn a few minutes of re-exam because that follows cross-examination. Mr. Jibril,
Yes, Your Honor.
my work is to calm you down completely. And make you
No, actually, I'm calm and composed.
I'm glad. Thank you. Now, I will limit my questions back to the contents of your affidavit, many times by paraphrasing.
Okay.
What is the basis of your request for detention continuing today in one line?
To complete my investigations.
On a scale of 0 to 100%, how much could you, by approximation, attach to your investigations up to now, on a scale of 0 to 100%? Doesn't have to be accurate, approximation.
49%.
49%. So I can mathematically say this as direct evidence that you're saying there is 51% of investigations to be done.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that there are questions about who is in charge of the cells, who is in charge of, who is in command of the station. Do those questions relate to the remainder of your investigations?
Yes, they do.
Now, to ask another direct question, are the questions from the defense some of the things you need to investigate to complete your investigations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I'll hand over to Mr. Johnson.
It's just one question, the examination. You have been asked whether you have attached any document relating to, I think it was paragraph 6A, some paragraphs in your affidavit, whether you have attached anything to show that even the respondent is a flight risk. Why do you need the respondent in custody? Is there any reason why you have not attached?
Yes, Your Honor. The reason I have not attached what I've collected so far, the 49% I'm talking about, is that it will jeopardize the investigations. And it's actually to protect the integrity of the investigations. That's why we cannot divulge much.
Thank you very much. I believe that is all from our end.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm glad that you confirmed that you were calm.
Yes.
Thank you.
Can allow
the next phase of our team, led by Peter. Now we proceed on take our family.
It depends how you take.
As we are ready, we are only asking for the benefit of
How many will be submitting?
4. There's Kiton, there's Langat, there's Kisi.
You okay with that? Or you need some break?
We are fine. We are fine. The only thing that we'll be asking is there something that has been filed so that it can be served, or it's an oral?
Let's see what they've done.
Yes, very well.
If there's anything that you can.
We'll serve you with authorities, simply. Our team serve the state with the whole. Is that it?
So just add brevity, because this issue is bad in itself. So just brevity and just direct the point and submissions.
Your Honor, for the record, I remain Felix Keaton, and also there's also another additional attorney at law, Vincent Yegon, also is part of the defense team.
Present, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we reiterate that we vehemently oppose the motion application dated the 16th of June 2025. And from this motion, Your Honor, there is only one salient issue for determination. That is whether there are compelling reasons